What's up, guys? Today I have with me some new audio gear. It is the DJI Mic 3, coming in at $300. It's supposedly be good for phones, computers, cameras, anything you could think of. It is a wireless lav set. It comes with two mics in here. And first thoughts, just the box alone is pretty significantly weighted, right? It's got some weight to it. This newer version records on 32-bit float. So if you know what 32-bit float is, that's a huge winner in my books when it comes to audio production, right? Basically, that's like, if you know what raw video or raw photos is, that's like raw audio recording, basically, right? I can yell, and inside the audio that it's recording, it'll actually not clip because it's 32-bit float, right? So that's pretty cool. Also, dual track audio, which is another major reason why I got it. Because if I'm recording lavs and I have multiple speakers, I want to be able to have dual track audio so that I can control the levels properly on this person, on that person. I don't want it to be bleeding. I want my audio to be clean at all times throughout my video. This mic will help you do that. So let's just go ahead and jump into it, unbox it, give it a review on initial thoughts. I'm excited to see what this has for us. So let's jump right into it. All right, so as you can see, as soon as you pull it out the box, you get a nice bag. I'm gonna unzip that bag. We got some kind of wiring. Looks like a windscreen. Looks like some magnets. And looks like the actual case. So let's open everything up. Look at that. Look at that. Press to unlock. DJI on the top. Yeah. Okay, we got multiple windscreens. It looks like 4 different sizes, or 4 different ones, 2 different sizes, one for each, a big one and a miniature one. Okay, that's cool. And then we've got our wires, TRS, regular audio cable, and this appears to be chargers. That's nice. And then here we have some magnets, which I'm gonna leave for right now. Now let's open up this bad boy. Press to unlock. Wow. Inside here I've got transmitter, or receiver as a matter of fact, and then I've got 2 mics, magnetic and also clipped. As a matter of fact, the clip itself is magnetic. That's pretty dope. The clip itself is magnetic, right? So that's pretty cool. Let's test out the magnet on this clip, just because, why not? All right, it's staying on there. It's staying on there. That's cool. That's cool. All right, so we got the mics. As you can see, the mic is uber small. I mean, in the palm of my hand. A USB-C. I'm pretty sure this is a receiver for USB-C. It looks like there's a space for the other iPhone, but it didn't come with it. So I don't know if I was supposed to purchase that separately or what. But as I look around on the equipment, it looks like we've got a pretty easy wheel. I'm sure that's like a menu wheel or something. We've got the power button. There's a lock button here. This must be where you charge. Or actually, this might be where you plug into the computer so it can receive if you're not doing Bluetooth. I'm not, entirely sure how all of this works. This is really initial thoughts and unboxing. And what I will say is that it's very well packaged. I mean, I could just carry this and be gone. Again, this box is very heavy. If I want the windscreen, boom, I could clip the windscreen on there, and let's see what it looks like with the windscreen. I don't even know. I know the mic is right here, right? Boom. It looks like you got the mic there. This must be the windscreen attachment thing. Let's do it. Oh yeah, that's how you attach it. Those two holes right by the mic is how you attach it. Boom. So just like that, we're in. We're locked and loaded, ready to go. If I really wanted to, I can close the case with the windscreen in there, open it back up, it's ready to go. You know, if you really wanted to. You don't have to, you know, so you got options here. This has been pretty good. I'm excited to test out the actual quality. I mean, we've got, like I said, we've got dual charging. This thing also automatically connects to the Osmo Pocket camera. So let's say you don't want the receiver and all of that. You just wanted a mic for your camera. If you have the DJI Osmo or any DJI camera for that matter, you could just buy one mic and leave all this extra necessities out, and this will directly connect to your camera. Like your camera, it's in the ecosystem. Kind of like how Apple AirPods just automatically connect to your iPhone. This will automatically connect to your camera. It's in the same ecosystem. So that's actually really cool. Something that, you know, you may not have known, but now you do. Stick with me on the next video. The next video will be an actual review of the quality of the sound and different use cases. So be on the lookout for that one. But yeah, let me know, is $300 worth the 32-bit dual audio? Is it worth the dual track recording, right? Because we also want to record on dual tracks. Let me know, but we'll find out with the real world review next video. Peace!